Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man and I'm coming to you another video. Today's another taste test, but before I reveal what it is, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay notified when I upload. Check out my gaming channel sometime if you like video game Let's Plays. And feel free to follow DMC Jedi Man instead on social media. I'm currently on Facebook, Twitter, and Discord. Links as always will be in the description below. So today we are trying these. These are the new Star Wars Oreos. I have two packages. I bought this package last month and this one this month. I'm hoping we get both sides of the Force. But if I have to hope for one over the other, I want the dark side because there's a Boba Fett Oreo and I love Boba Fett. So I also obviously have a thing of milk nearby because we'll have to do the dunking taste test. So I'm going to try to open these a little differently because I want to save the packaging. So we're going to open them like this. That way I can just slide the tray out. The other one will open normal. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to do it this way so you guys can see what side I've got first. Sith! Yes! Dark side for the win. So there's 10 different designs. I will show them all off, assuming we have all 10. Pull the tray the rest of the way out. That's 4, 5, 6. Well, we've got 7 of the designs. No Fett yet, though. 8. Come on, Fett, you better be in here. 9. We got all but one design, and there's 10. We got every design. Now let's see, there's only one Boba Fett. A few of these characters only have one. So I'll show off the designs. So there's Count Dooku. There's a General Grievous. There's a Darth Maul. A Darth Sidious, or the Emperor if you'd prefer. A Stormtrooper. A Kylo Ren. A Scout Trooper. Boba Fett. Set him over to the side. Jabba the Hutt, and Darth Vader. Alright, and we will use the Vader one for the milk taste test. It tastes like any other Oreo should melt. Now, try and twist off one of these. Yeah, there's a little bit of light side in this Sith. Funny thing is, it's Kylo Ren, and there was good in him. Okay, well, the cream tastes the same as any other Oreos, but it's got crunchy bits because these have Kyber-inspired crystals in them. Alright. Now, we'll open the other one. If we got Team Light Side, I'll show off one of each of the cookie, and I'll try one of those too. Are we a Jedi this time, or are we a Sith again? We are a Sith again, unfortunately. So, I'll have to buy more of these to get Light Side. I probably won't do a video on it unless everyone here wants me to. But we got Dark Side, which was the most important one for me to get, because like I said, I wanted that Boba Fett Oreo badly. Now, if only I had some carbonite to preserve it in for all time. Let me just clean up my mess here, and then I'll wrap this video up. But yeah, Star Wars Oreos, they can be found at pretty much all major retailers. If anyone here has gotten them, you'll have to tell me what side did you end up on. Till next time though, this has been DMC Jedi Man, and I am signing off. Peace, everybody.